Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at the 7 best floor plan software tools for 2025. Let's get started. 1. House Pro. House Pro is more than just floor planning software. It's an all-in-one solution for professionals. It offers powerful floor plan and 3D visualization tools. It also comes with project management, client communication, and budgeting features, making it a complete package for design professionals. 2. Planner 5D. Planner 5D is a very popular and easy-to-use floor plan software. You can create 2D and 3D floor plans with drag-and-drop simplicity. It also offers a large catalog of furniture and design elements. Since it works on desktop and mobile, it's very convenient and accessible. 3. Homestyler. Homestyler is known for its realistic design rendering. It lets you build floor plans and decorate spaces with high-quality visuals. You can even create 3D walkthroughs, allowing you to experience the space before it's built. Straightforward and great for sharing design ideas. 4. Chief Architect. Chief Architect is one of the most advanced tools in this list. Tailored for architects, builders, and serious professionals. The software provides precise drafting, construction drawings, and 3D modeling. While it's powerful, it does have a steep learning curve, so it's mainly used by experts. 5. Floor Planner. Floor Planner is an online tool known for its simplicity and speed. You can easily draw 2D plans and instantly switch to 3D visualization. It also comes with a furniture library to decorate layouts quickly. Since it's cloud-based, your projects are always accessible from anywhere. 6. Vectorworks. Vectorworks is a professional-grade CAD and BIM software. It offers robust 2D drafting and 3D modeling capabilities, perfect for complex building designs and detailed projects. The software also provides collaboration tools, making it suitable for large teams working together. 7. Magic Plan. Magic Plan is a mobile-first floor plan app. With just your smartphone camera, you can scan rooms and create instant floor plans. It allows you to add objects, measure dimensions, and even generate cost estimates. It's quick, efficient, and great for on-the-go projects. And that's it for today. So never forget to like and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tutorials.